Friends, good day. In this video, I would like to break down the best strategies that allow you to capitalize on one important event that will change the entire financial market, the cryptocurrency market for sure. This event is the approval of the Ethereum ETFs. Expectations are as follows. In May, the Securities Commission will approve a spot ETF on Ether. Recently, we received information that the Commission postponed the decision deadline with Ether. This means that there is a high degree of probability that there will be no rejection of applications. Perhaps the same story will happen as with the Bitcoin spot ETF. The advice is standard: buy based on rumors, sell based on facts. This advice works 90% of the time. So let's look at some strategies to capitalize on it. So approval is expected in May, but it could happen sooner. The most important thing is that the deadline is no later than May. Okay, maybe the Ether price growth will happen before the approval, perhaps as the final stage of negotiations between the companies and the SEC begins. Ticker launches on US exchanges could happen even earlier than May, like late March. So let's first choose an expiration date. I choose quarterly options with expiration at the end of March. We are interested in a strategy that will help us to make money, where there's minimal risk, even if something unforeseen happens, something we can't know about. The best strategy to make money on price movements, in my opinion, is the vertical spread. It's a simple and always working strategy. It always has a fixed maximum amount of loss we can incur in case our price scenario doesn't happen, and it won't change no matter what happens. Stop loss and take profit. Okay, let's say we buy 100 call options with a strike of 2,500 and sell call options with a strike of 2,700. 100 contracts as well. Recall that on the AE exchange, 100 contracts or 100 futures or 100 options are equivalent to 1 Ether. I click View Chart and get the following P&L chart. The margin requirements are $57, and the maximum loss we can incur is $57. If the price movement is realized, we will get $143. But we've already seen the price of Ether reach 2,740, if I'm not mistaken. That was in January, before the Bitcoin spot ETF applications were approved. Ether was already breaking those levels, so we can look at another vertical spread on Ether. I think that Ether could easily exceed $3,000 if there is an approval of applications. So here's the next vertical spread. We bought call options with a strike of 2,700 and we sell call options with a strike of 2,900. Here we want to catch a price move up to 3,000. The margin requirements are smaller here, only $33, and the potential profit is much higher, $167. Good results for 1 Ether. I remind you, the delta is the delta of 1 Ether. If we work with thousands of contracts, the potential profit is almost $1,700. How can we improve this strategy even more? One of my favorite things to do is to fund a purchased vertical call spread by selling put options. Let's pick something safe, like put options with a strike of 2,000, 100 contracts. And now we have a break-even zone, and even a small profit of $10. The break-even zone starts at $2,000 and goes all the way up to $2,700. This means that if our forecast doesn't come true, we lose nothing. And if it comes true, we make money. But if the price of Ether falls below 2,000, we will get 1 Ether at the price of $1,990, which is not bad either. Keep it. Sell call options and make extra profit for holding the asset. I took call options with a strike of 2900, but you can choose a larger value. Personally, I did not take more because it is scary. Now the profit here is $210, but it can become higher if you choose, for example, strike 3000. And that's it. These are my thoughts on the upcoming Ether events. Share your opinions on these strategies in the comments. Share your strategies and price scenarios. If they seem plausible, I can build strategies and break down all the risks and returns in the next video. Give this video a like so other options traders could find it. Subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best and successful options trading.